Yeah, what'd you think of the Powerslide?
Sporty.
Sporty.
No
what about
stability.
the width?
There is none.
What about the stability?
There is none.
How about the length? Could you tell it was 10 foot?
No. No, it's I don't like, it's got a lot of rocker, so it actually whips into stuff really well.
Yeah. Surprisingly paddles shorter than what it really is.
Whips around possibly better than the Indra.
Better than the Indra as far as getting around the river.
Like I struggle to whip the Indra around
Okay.
as quickly as this.
Well, I mean, the tail rocker is probably 3 inches higher on that than it is the Indra. I think the Indra was 10 and this is 13. You can see it just sitting there. Well, there it is. Well, did you like it though?
I did like it.
Yeah, it's different.
I would like 100% have this boat for like Chattooga, Golly.
New River. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
New River. Just something to like, this is it kind of spices stuff up.
It does.
But yeah, it's a lot of fun. I like it.
Well, awesome. All right, right here, man. This thing is a beautiful river runner. Almost no speed. Look at this. That was a no speed attainment. You want to be careful on trying to drop it down in these eddy lines. You know, I've been coming out of a firecracker, so obviously I'm used to a tail that's like 2 feet long to a 5-foot tail. It almost needs a big wave. That's what it craves, is bigger waves. These waves out here might be too small for this thing, but you know, I can make it work. Yep. You should have had a Powerslide. You would have got that. I just like to ferry across and hit that seam over there. It's easy till it's not easy. There is an eddy in there I've got a few times, but it's just really, you're up against that rock, but I've caught that eddy and come back. You can kind of go over, surf it, then blast back. I'm not going to do that this lap. Stern grab. Not too bad. You feel like you can be out here on this forever.
Stubby.
Okay, look at that. Well, sometimes it's the girth. You know how we come down to go over a drop and we'll load these? You don't load that one. You slip that tail. So when you come up to a drop, just slip it and do like a whip move around it. So first couple of rapids.
It's fun.
It's just fun.
It's way more fun than Sorry, Dagger.
Tree splat. Indra versus ReactR.
I think personally I would go for the ReactR, but like the Indra kind of feels more confidence inspiring. Like it almost like it takes care of you more.
Yeah.
But it's just that initial stability is ridiculous.
You feel like you could react a little better to what's going on?
I do.
There you go. That's why it's called the ReactR.
Yeah.
High water, creeking, everything. That's the boat right there, which is right over the skirt slightly, in my opinion. And I like how the rails are like so high compared to there.
Yeah.
It's not grabby at all. Did you feel like it was like edgy at all?
No.
I feel the ender grabbed me a little bit back here at times.
I think personally I would take a little more time to get used to this.
Yeah.
Acquainted to it before I ran on something, you know, super hard.
All right, there we go. Another ReactR happy customer right there. Let's do another lap. You ready for a power slide lap?
Sure.
There we go.